Okay, now back to critical thinking. Let's go. Also, another critical thinking theory used from Shermer was his idea of what is more likely. My opinion, like, what is more likely? Whether the spirit is real of a 100-year-old girl, or is it just a normal set of stairs? So I believe that the more likely answer is it just a normal set of stairs that's not haunted by a spirit. Additionally, I also had used the idea of critical thinking of the baloney detection machine to test the reliability of the source, because that's an important thing to do. So the source is from the Courier Journal, is a highly rated factual website from all sides, and Media's Bias Fact Check is rated as highly factual and a left-centered bias. However, the article is written by David Dami, who has written 3 books about the old ghost in old Louisville. His bias is that, like, there could be ghosts, but he just needs it to be proven by skepticism, very similar to Michael Shermer. So going into it, the article states just places that ghosts could be is more of like a tourist thing, like Halloween event thing you could go do and explore it yourself, similar to what I did. However, it's not saying if they're there or not, so it's pretty unbiased in its source. There was a lot of ways I used critical thinking in this project. One was setting criteria for my thinking. Some criteria I used was being unbiased, open to any answer, and 100% factual. Another way I would improve my critical thinking was question my error. I just tried by trying to get the full perspective and widening my POV, so I was open to seeing different perspectives on the situation to see if there was anything I was missing in my thinking when going into this project. I also questioned my thinking by seeing if there's anything that I could have done wrong or messed up my experience and skewed the results of seeing if there was a spirit or not. I did this by seeing whether the day was right, the time, because the article is written about Halloween, but it's December now, so that might have skewed the data. This process of questioning my thinking led to me getting the best results in improving my overall project, so I could get the ideas of intellectual integrity and intellectual fair-mindedness through this project. This was my research video. Thank you so much for listening. Have a great rest of your day.